What's going on, guys? It's Blader Jordan here today, and I'm back with the Beyblade X versus Beyblade Metal Fight battle. And tonight's battle is going to be a battle between Cobalt Dragoon 260 Cyclone, the first left spinning Bey for Beyblade X, and it's going to be going up against the first left spinning Beyblade for Beyblade Metal Fight. Lightning No Drago 100 hole flat. Well, technically, it's not the first left spinning Beyblade for Metal Fight, but it's one of the most popular ones throughout the series. I think the first one was Drago, the OG one from the manga. So yeah, comment things going to win down below. I'm going to be launching Lightning No Drago first, and so we'll have a lot more stamina. I don't know about a lot more stamina, but it'll have more stamina. So yeah, let's get started. Go shoot. Oh, no way, Cobalt Dragoon took round one, the first point. Go shoot. The funny part is, despite how fast Cobalt Dragoon just moved, it still could not catch Lightning No Drago. They didn't even touch that whole first part, despite how fast Cobalt Dragoon was moving. So I guess this is just going to be a sleep out. Boring sleep out. Alright, Lightning No Drago takes the next point. 1-1. Go shoot. What? Cobalt Dragoon takes it again. 2-1 now. Go shoot. Oh, but Lightning No Drago reverses it on him. 2-2. Go shoot. Hard hits from Cobalt Dragoon, but will it be enough? Alright, and it's not. 3-2 now. Go shoot. Oh, El Drago. 4-2. Yeah. So let's see if this is going to be the final round. Go shoot. Damn, and it is. They touched and everything. So, despite all the knockouts, Cobalt Dragoon just couldn't do it because Lightning No Drago 100 hole flat is the winner of the entire battle. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more Beyblade Metal Fight battles and unboxings coming your way. Please subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Also, I'm going to be doing it again. Comment section below with different types of Metal Fight Beyblade battles you would like to see. And I'll see you guys later.